Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for AdSense for YouTube. First, your channel needs to meet eligibility criteria. You'll need at least 1,000 subscribers and either 4,000 valid public watch hours over the past 12 months or 10 million valid public shorts views in the last 90 days. It's also crucial that your channel adheres to all YouTube monetization policies. Meeting these requirements is the essential first step before you can apply for monetization. Once eligible, you'll apply directly through YouTube Studio. Navigate to the Earn section on the left-hand menu. Here, you'll review and accept the YouTube Partner Program terms. The next step involves linking an AdSense account. You can either connect an existing one or create a brand new account. Make sure all your details, especially your name and address, are completely accurate to avoid any delays in the process. Setting up your AdSense account involves a few key verification steps. You'll need to provide your full legal name, address, and phone number. Identity verification is next, often requiring a government-issued ID. Finally, AdSense will mail a unique PIN to your physical address. You'll enter this PIN into your account to verify your address. This postal verification typically takes about 2 to 4 weeks to complete, so patience is key. After your AdSense account is fully verified, you can choose how you'd like to receive your earnings. Electronic funds transfer, or EFT, directly to your bank account is a very common and convenient method. AdSense issues payments monthly, usually between the 21st and 26th, once your accumulated earnings reach the payment threshold, which is typically $100. Congratulations, you're now ready to earn from your content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.